Okay, I hope kila mtu ako in. Uh, we can now begin our session. Good evening. I hope you are all doing good. I hope you have enjoyed your dinner or supper. So, my name is Munala Brian from group number 8, and today we are going to learn about physical properties of construction material. So, by the end of the session, you are expected to identify different types of construction materials, and also you are expected to discuss different physical properties of construction material. So to begin with, I would like anyone to give us maybe a different type, different types of construction material. So make sure you raise up your hand first before answering a question, and stay online because I'm going to download the attendance list. So let's start with Irene. Okay, Benja. Yes, thank you for that. So we have different construction materials. Just display a few here so that we can see them. We have stones. You know, stones are used in construction of buildings. We have bricks. Bricks can be used to construct fireplaces. We have clay and clay products. We have lime, cement, and timber. So maybe you can give me examples of clay and clay products. You raise up your hand. Yes, Benja? Yes. Ben, I saw your hand was up. Any addition? Okay, Stacy? Okay, Stacy, check on your maybe surrounding or environment. Uh, we couldn't get your point very well, or maybe the next time you can just type on the chat. Okay, so those are the types of construction materials. So next, I would like us to look at the physical properties of different construction materials. So first of all, physical property, the word itself, it refers to the physical attributes of materials that can be measured or observed without changing the composition of materials. They include porosity or permeability, we have surface texture, we have density, thermal conductivity, wear and tear. So Irene, maybe you can take us through porosity.
Power off.
Okay, thank you for that. Continue. Okay, thank you for that. To add on porosity, these are the void spaces in a material. Maybe for example, the mattresses. So you can measure the weight of a mattress, the dry weight, and then when you immerse it in water, you come and measure it after it has soaked in water for some time. So with that, you can calculate the weight change, and that you can determine the porosity of that material. So Benja, I'd like you to take us through surface texture. Okay, to add on maybe the surface texture, you can maybe observe this mostly on washrooms, whereby the wallings of the washroom they put tiles which are a bit smooth, but on the floor of the washroom they put a rough tile. So surface texture plays a bigger role in construction. I would like Benedict to take us through strength. Benedict, if you can hear me. Yeah, okay. Kindly take us through strength. I'm sure it's visible on your screen. Okay, thank you for that. As I mentioned earlier, assuming you are constructing maybe a five-story building, you cannot use timber in form of columns and then you add maybe a concrete slab. So you need to use something which is more strong, like reinforced concrete, whereby you incorporate concrete and steel to make something which is a bit stronger. So for your assignment, maybe you can note this down. Explain 5 chemical properties of construction material. Explain 5 chemical properties of construction material. So make sure you do the assignment, and I will collect the assignment, or maybe you can submit the assignment via my email latest Friday noon. Make sure you submit the assignment. So I would like to hear from you, maybe what we have learned today, or Yeah, what we have learned today before we conclude the session. Make sure you raise up your hand. Yes, Caroline. Thank you for that. Anyone else? What you have learned today? Yes, Nelson. Okay, thank you for that. Uh, just a quick recap. Can someone name different types of materials used in construction? Yes, Tracy? Yes, yes. Thank you for that. Okay, so lastly, I would like maybe one of you to just a brief comment on how the session was, or maybe if there's something which you were yearning to learn but maybe we didn't cover under physical properties. Yes, Caroline? Okay, thank you for that. Thank you for that comment. I'll rectify on that, technology issues and stuff. So I'm going to download the attendance. Okay, I will not tell you to switch on your cameras because at least we have had an interactive session. So I have not that all of you are present. So I'm just going to download the attendance list. So make sure you submit the assignment latest on Friday via my email. And in case you have maybe any questions regarding the maybe physical properties or anything that we have covered which is not clear, make sure you reach me via my number. You have my number, or maybe through the class rep. So I think that's all. Have a wonderful night, yeah, for those who are sleeping now. Bye.